Yes, some more okra growing here. Look at y'all. Okay. Okay, I gotta come and harvest you guys. Y'all are getting big. Anybody else coming out? Okay, okra. Okay, Bug, you gotta get on out of here. Come on, okra. Let me harvest you guys. 3 okras harvest today from Big Mama's garden. More okra to harvest. Look how big that is. Went out of town this weekend and I knew I had some that was still growing. Okay, gotta harvest you guys. Look at my cucumbers over here. I see one coming in. I see you. Come on. Just saw some bees over here trying to pollinate y'all with all the blooms over here. Come on, cucumbers. Y'all gotta come on and grow up. Grow bigger for us. Let me go on and harvest these okra. Yes. A little okra harvest today. Looking good. Yes, it is. Looking good. More to come. Grown in Big Mama's garden.